Engine 10, Hunts, Rainier Avenue South and South King Street.
Okay.
Engine 10, acknowledge.
Engine 10.
Increase this to a full response. Switch to channel 1, also be advised there are down power lines now. Engine 10, do you have down power lines at that location?
Double checking right now.
All units responding to the full response on Rainier Avenue South and South King Street.
Jackson.
All units responding to the full response, Rainier Avenue South and South King Street, code green, except for Engine 10, Engine 6, Ladder 3, and Battalion 5.
Dispatch Engine 10, we do not have any down power lines. Have the fire knocked down. Engine 10 will be King Command.
Okay, Engine 10, King Command. We reduce this to a 2-1-1.
Engine 6 is on the hydrant at Rainier and King.
All units, Engine 10. We had a rubbish fire extended to a tree and a sign. Engine 10 knocked it down. Reconnect. We are mopping up hotspots at this time.
Engine 10 from Engine 25.
Engine 10.
Engine 10 from Engine 25.
Time 5 on scene. Okay, Battalion 5, switch back to Channel 2.